Hi everybody! Today we're going to work on some stickers for your business, for eBay, and for YouTube. It's nice outside, so I am going to come outside and do my intro. So today we're going to work on stickers. That's going to be a lot of fun. Stickers are free to make. They're super easy. And I keep getting asked, how do I make my stickers, my avatars, my icon, my emojis? Let's do it, everybody. I'll show you how. It's easy. It'll be fun. I promise it'll be fun. Well, I think it's fun. It's fun to me. It'll be fun. Okay, so here I am in my YouTube studio, and we are going to make some stickers that you can use as avatars or other things that you want to. You can also use it as your profile picture, like I use mine. You can pretty much use any picture you want here. It's super easy. But if you want to make a sticker and turn it into your icon for YouTube, you can do that too, or an avatar, or whatever you want to do. Any kind of social media button. Perfect. So let's go into Canva. And Canva is a free source and you can also upgrade. I do have an upgraded account and we are going to go to Canva. Now you can see here, this is a sticker I recently made for Backyard Trucker. Okay, so this is the sticker that I just made for him. I'm going to start from total scratch. Okay, so we're going to go to the home button here. And this is where the home is on the side. And we are going to, let's go to some templates. Let's make this easy, right? Let's make a circle sticker. Look at all these stickers that you can use. And this is how you can easily make them. You know, you can put your own picture in, you can put your own name in there. This is super easy. And people are paying a lot of money for these online, but you don't have to. It's simple. And this down here you'll see has a pro, so you won't be able to use that unless you have an upgraded account like I do. But as you can see, many of these are completely free. They're free, everybody. They're free. Oh, look at the Happy Halloween trick or treat. I should have made some of those. That would have been fun. Now you can print these yourself or you can just use them to use as icons, right? So here's just some ideas of stickers that are available. It just depends on what kind of design you want to go with, and I would definitely pick like a template design because it's just easy, right? Now here's one that's similar to Andy's that I did. Now you can do a 3x3, a 4x4. Now I'm going to probably print them in a 3x3, so we're going to customize this template. And let's just do another one for Andy, because why not? Let's do Backyard Trucker. Okay, now you can see that we kind of went over some graphics. So what you're going to do is go to Position, Layers. Okay, so here are your layers. And we kind of want to move these around. So we're just going to, boop, let's move these over here. Just while we're designing, we don't have to do anything right now. If you just click on these and move it around, you know, we might want to use these and maybe not. So upload here is where you can upload pictures. I'm going to upload some more. Okay, and here are the two pictures he has for his truck. And this is kind of a black on black, so I don't know if this is going to work for this one. But you know, you just got to play with what you have. There is a background remover right here. Oh my goodness, that actually worked really well. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, that looks really good. Look at that, everybody. Oh my goodness. There is his Peterbilt. We're going to kind of position that like sort of centered there. We definitely need to play around with the layers a little bit again. Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good, I have to say. Now you can edit the photo if you want it, and you just go to edit, and then right here is adjust. And you know, you can make stuff a little warmer. It's always nice to make things a little bit warmer. Oh, we can add some red. Red always looks good. I don't know if we want to brighten it. How about contrast? Maybe brighten it a little bit. Highlights. Shadows. The shadows down and the blacks up. How about that? Okay, that looks good to me. Vibrance. And a little bit of saturation. Okay, so I mean, if there's probably not much difference there. It just looks a little bit crisper. Okay, so now we're going to go and look at the position of everything again. Position. Now, you know, you're just gonna have to play around with stuff a little bit. Like move, you can move your stuff around just to, if you want to work on one thing and you don't want something in the way, just move it out of the way for now. So, and you can think of it as layering a cake too when you work. It's probably the best way to do it. Okay, so I also don't like that this is not a circle. We're going to go to Elements, Circle, Cut Out, Frames, Circle, boom. There we go. All we did is flip it into that circle, and now that is our circle. And you can adjust this how you want it. You can fit it in there better. It doesn't have to be like totally exact either. Now I want to go back to uploads. Now I do have a picture of Andy's avatar that we use just for Facebook or whatever social media. You can also cartoon yourself and then just use a cartoon if you want to cartoon it. So let's do this. Whoa. What are you doing there? What are you doing? Move you out of the way. I kind of want this guy over here. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is put backyard trucker. We're going to go effects. Let's do the outline. And I think I just want to go black on that. And then we'll up it the way you want, you know, like you can do backyard trucker. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to upload this because that's his little icon guy that he uses for social media. And so you just kind of need to play around with things. Let's see, what did I do here? This one is 24. Do this one at 24. Let's do both at 24. Okay, so you just play around with sizes basically, and you just start layering things that you really like. Okay, so I like that. Now this is a square, and you can actually make this a square also, or you can make it a circle, but you're going to need to cut out around the circle for that. So I want to get rid of this other one, so we're going to go back to position. Position. Which one is this? We're going to delete that one. We don't need two of them. So the easiest thing to do is to go up here and download your item here. You're going to hit share and then downloads. Okay, and I think the easiest thing to do is just to upload it into a circle. Templates, circle sticker, create a blank one. We're going to upload this in. Okay, so we're here, we have a circle, we're going to create a circle. I'm going to create a circle, and what we're going to do is just drag that picture back in here. Boom. And there is your icon. Avatar sticker, whatever you want to use it for. And then what you're going to do is a share. Download. I'm going to use transparent background, but you don't have to do that either. If you are printing, it's not going to show up the background on a circle. If you're printing a square, it'll just be white around the edges, and that's fine. We're going to choose a transparent background, which is fine either way, and you can save it both ways, really, if you want to. So there you go. That's how you make a sticker. Yay! Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully you learned something new, and hopefully I described it the best I could, and that's the easiest way I found out to make things simple and easy. Oh my goodness, look at the trees. They have mainly lost all their leaves this weekend. Wow. It was windy. Most of the beautiful colors are gone, but some of the underlining brush is still beautiful. Have a good day, everybody.